evaluate an integration, double integration 0 to 1 y to 1 e raised to x square dx dy dy. So here the limit of y is 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1, and the limit of x is y less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So here first we want to evaluate this integration, but again you cannot evaluate the integration e raised to x square dx. So now we are going to change the order of this integration. So now to change the order of this integration, first the limit of y is from 0 to 1 and the limit of x is from y to 1. So y equal to x, we know that this is an equation of line passing through origin. So it is x y, if we consider 2 to 3 points, x0 y0 x1 y1 x2 y2. So if we draw the graph by using given information, then we get say here 1 2 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. Then the 0 less than or first we want to draw y equal to x. This is what 1 1 2 2. So if we join these points, then we get this line. Okay, see this is point what 2 2 and this is what 1 1. Next y equal to 0. This is what 0 less than or equal to y less than 1, and then y x is what y less than or equal to x less than 1. This is what x is equal to 1. This equation is what line of this equation is what x is equal to 1. This is y equal to x. Then next y equal to 1. So this is what y equal to 1. Now since the limit of x is given in terms of y, and therefore the given strip is horizontal strip, so there will be if we consider this strip, then it enters at x is equal to 0 and leaves at x is equal to y. But this is not a limit of x, so this is not our closed region. This is not our closed region. So now if we consider the horizontal strip in another closed region, then in this closed region x enters at x is equal to y and leaves at x is equal to 1. So this is what our closed region can use here. This is the closed region bounded by the line y equal to x, x is equal to 1, y equal to 1, and y equal to 0. So now to change the order of integration, we are going to consider here vertical strip. So if we consider vertical strip, then it enters at y equal to 0 and it leaves at y equal to x, and such a strip we are going to put from this point to that is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. So the new limits are 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to y, and 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to x. Again we are going to use Fubini's strong theorem because the limit of y is given in terms of x. So now we can write the given integration 0 to 1 y to 1 0 to 1 y to 1 e raised to x square dx dy as 0 to 1, limit of x is 0 to 1. You can see here this is the new limit of x, and this is a new limit of y, then 0 to x e raised to x square dy dx. So here limit of y is given in terms of x. So first we are going to evaluate integration with respect to y. So e raised to x square is a constant term, take it outside. Integration of dy is y from 0 to x dx. So it is equal to 0 to 1 e raised to x square. Integration of if we put upper and lower limit, it is x minus 0 dx. So it is equal to integration 0 to 1 x e raised to x square dx. Now to evaluate this integration, we are going to substitute or put u is equal to x square. This implies du is equal to twice x dx. From this we can write x dx is equal to du divided by 2, and the new limit of u are x and u. Limit of x are x from 0 to 1, and in place of x if you put here 0, then u is also 0. If we put x is equal to 1, then u is 1, and therefore integration 0 to 1 e raised to x square x dx becomes 0 to 1 e raised to u x dx is du by 2. So if we take 1 by 2 outside, integration 0 to 1 e raised to u du. So now the integration of e raised to u is equal to e raised to u from 0 to 1. Now if you put here upper and lower limit, then it is e raised to 1 minus e raised to 0. So it is equal to e minus 1 divided by 2. E raised to 0 is what? 1. So this is what value of given double integration. So we have solved this example double integration by changing the order of the integration. By given limit you cannot evaluate this integration. Value of the integration does not exist, but if we change the order of this integration, then you can see here the answer is what? E minus 1 divided by 2. You can also use maxima to evaluate this last integration. Integrate, then again first we want to enter f of xy. Say f of x y is equal to exp x square. So it is what? F of xy is what? X y equal to e raised to x square. So now using the command integrate f of xy first the limit of y from the limit of y. What is the limit of y? New limit of y is, you can check here, the new limit of y is 0 to x, and the limit of x is from 0 to 1. So now here x integrate 0 to f of xy. Y is from 0 to x and x is from 0 to 1. Value of the integration, okay, we want to assign this here. F of xy is equal to, now here f of xy is equal to, okay, assignment of it. And now if we enter again Okay, you can see here answer is what? E minus 1 divided by 2. Answer is what? E minus 1 divided by 2. You can also convert into a real number by using the command float. So it is what? 0.8591. And here also, if you can, we know that the value of E is what? 2.71 minus 1 divided by 2. You will get the answer is equal to what? 0.8591. Okay, so 0.8592. Thank you.